Yeah, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. How is it going? Hope we are good. So in this video, because I'm super excited, because I'm happy today, like overjoyed. I don't know why I'm very happy today, but the markets have been good recently. Okay, so now because of this, I want to share one of my VIP strategies here on YouTube for you guys free of charge. Now this strategy is fire. This strategy is what fire. Just leave a comment in the comment section. Just shout fire in the comment section. Even before watching the video, drop a comment, drop fire in the comment section. So this strategy is fire. You can see I'm on a trade, just little profits for now. Remember, this is not screenshots. This is just live. You know how we do it. So nothing have played out. I just entered the trade and I decided to share with you guys. We are still going to see the outcome of this trade, but one amazing stuff about this particular video is that I want to share a new insight, a new strategy, and also use that same strategy to enter a trade for you to see. Okay, so this is more of you undergoing or passing through a mentorship, okay, free on YouTube, guys. Now, how does this strategy work and what is the name of this strategy? See, the name is not important, guys. What is important is you making money with the strategy. So, but simply put, the name is counter trend breakout strategy. Now, this is just a grammar. What you need to do is to pay close attention, understand the strategy, and make money with the strategy. That's all right. Now, how does this strategy work? Please, this is a very simple strategy. Don't complicate anything. Now you can see I'm in this trade. I'm targeting here. This should be my final TP level before I'll close, and watch out for the breakout. Maybe after break and retest. If the price should push down to this zone, break, retest this zone, I can equally sell more. But my first target is at this zone, guys. So that's exactly what I'm looking out for. The price is still moving. Let me zoom in so that you can see. The price is still moving. Not really in profit, just little bit of profit. But now, what is the setup? So start liking this video, guys. Start liking the video, share the video already, drop a comment. I say you should drop fire in the comment section. If you have not, I don't know what is happening or what you are waiting for. So now look at the strategy here. I've already used I kind of use graph, okay, or lines or anything at all. I don't know what you might actually refer it to explain this strategy. Now you want to see a moving trend, and this is a downtrend because the price is creating the lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, right, to the downside. So let me change the color to red, okay, so that you'll be able to differentiate between the price action and our trend line. So now if you look at this particular movement, this is a downtrend, a clear downtrend, because the price is creating this lower lows, lower highs. Okay, now what the price does, sometimes the price will decide to create a trend within a trend, which is like a counter trend. So the price sometimes will create a trend to the upside, which some people will just think, oh, this is a change of trend, we can now jump in and start buying. It doesn't happen all the time, guys. It doesn't work that way most time. So what the price does is that the price will pull back, creating a trend, a counter trend, or a mini trend, which is counter to the trend or opposite to the trend, as a retracement, right? As a retracement. This is exactly what will happen. After pushing here, the price started to create small higher highs, higher lows, okay, to the upside. Okay, now this does not confirm a change of trend, right? So what you want to do is that instead of just jumping in to buy, okay, thinking, okay, this is a change of trend, okay, you can simply wait for the price to break this trend by breaking your trend line. So once the price breaks out from the trend line, you sell, because the overall trend is down and you are seeing a smaller trend, that is trend within a trend, and is counter to the trend, which is opposite to the trend. Now once you see such thing, draw a trend line and wait for the price to break your trend line. You simply make entry. That's all. No complication, simple and straight. If the price did not break your trend line and continue ranging to the upside, there is no issues. You can actually leave the particular pair or indices chart and look for another thing to trade. But once the price break out of that particular trend, okay, which is the counter trend, you make entry. That's why I said I gave it a name, which is counter trend breakout strategy. So whenever this counter trend, the price break out from the trend, okay, you make entry. This is an example for a downtrend. So now this is another scenario for an uptrend. The price is actually pushing to the upside. From here you can see, okay, but within this movement the price started to retrace back, okay, but this retracement comes with a trend, a mini trend. So the price started creating lower lows, lower highs within this zone. Now what you need to do is simply draw your trend line and wait patiently for the price to break. In this case, why I'm using this particular retracement or retesting is for you to know you can actually enter the trade using two methods. Either you enter at the breakout or you enter at the pullback. Now there's something you need to note about the pullbacks. Most time the price does not pull back after the breakout. You only look for the next swing to make entry, or you enter at breakout, because sometimes you might be waiting for this pullback, like something like this, and the price will keep dropping, so you miss out on the trade. So two ways to enter the trade: either you enter at the breakout, or you wait after the breakout for the price to pull back and give you. This particular one is you trading conservatively, trying to see more confirmation to buy at this zone, okay? But this one, you are just so confident in the strategy. The price breakout, you make entry, and that is exactly the reason why you set your stop loss a little bit above this trend line, so that if the price decided to retrace, you are still safe, okay, before the price will push down. So sometimes it happens this way, but not all the time. So if you don't like missing out on trade, remember, patience is the game. But if you don't like missing out on trade, you can actually enter your trade at the breakout. But if you want, you wait for a retest, just like this second example. So that's exactly how this counter trend breakout strategy works. As simple as that. No complication, nothing. So once you see it, you enter your trade and we are good to go. So you can see we are actually pushing into profit little by little, bit by bit. And let me come back to this chart now. Example in the chart. If you look closely what the price is doing, this is 1 hour time frame on VS10. The price is clearly giving us those higher highs. Okay, sorry. From here you see this high, which is the turning point. You see this low, which is the lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs, right? So the price created the next low, okay, even you can use this, but for me I prefer this significant low. So because this is not actually a low, you should know this by now. I don't need to explain this. You should know this is not actually any area, because of the price couldn't break this one. So now at this point you have confirmed this a downtrending market, right? No confusion, no nothing. I believe there is you are not, there is no question at this point. Now you confirm this as a downtrend, okay? So after confirmation of a downtrend, I want to make sure I'm putting the trend line the right way, please. So now you have confirmed this as a downtrend. So what do you want to do? What are you expecting? After this, you just wait. The price started to pull back, right? So you might be, we're supposed to, you know, keep selling, but the price started to create a mini trend, which is that counter trend. The price started to start creating another higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low, now higher high, right? So that is exactly what the price is now doing. So when the price started creating this counter trend, you simply put in your trend line, okay? You simply put in your trend line and wait patiently for a breakout. So what actually happened is that I know if I am watching or observing my chart, I could have made entry before now. But because I just entered and I saw this, I simply moved down to a lower time frame, which might be, you can go down to, if you see the trend on 1 hour, you can go down to 30 minutes, 15 minutes. Okay, so I move down to a lower time frame and wait for the next swing, because I've missed the major entry, which is the breakout. Okay, so the breakout, I missed entering my trade at the breakout. So what I did is to go down to 15 minutes time frame and see the next swing. So what I mean by next swing is, if the price, okay, let me use this to give you an example. So let's say you did not meet up on this trade. So how I entered this current trade that is going on now is that I missed this particular entry, which is the best entry. Now the next thing I did was to go down to a lower time frame and wait for the price to give me any little pullback. So after this pullback, the price started dropping, and now I made entry at this zone and still shift my stop loss up a bit. Okay, so now I made entry at a pullback. Okay, so if you miss out on the breakout, you simply wait for the next swing high if you are selling. So the next swing high the price is going to create, you are going to be making entry, as long as you can actually get a better risk reward. Now what do I mean by this? This is another level now. So if, for example, the price pushed down impulsively, okay, and maybe at this point the price started to create another maybe swing high and want to push down. See, by now you are seeing that the price have made the impulsive move, the price have made that move that you are looking for. So you selling here is just like, you know, wasting time, because this is your target. You are not making anything out of this trade, because the price can hit here, decided to create double bottom and shift to the upside, anything like that. But likely the price is going to break to the downside. But if you don't want to enter when the price have made the move, look at your targets right here. So the reason why I still enter is that I've discovered that the risk reward is still high, the movement is still far. I can still, you know, like the price is just starting the movement, you can see. So the risk reward is good. 1:3 point something is nice. So that's exactly the reason why I still made entry on this trade, guys. So this strategy is simple, and like it's not something you complicate. It's something you just sight. Once you see it, you kill it. And I say it's fire. So guys, I hope this is helpful. I hope you are going to start trying this strategy. I hope you can actually start back testing this strategy on your own and see how this strategy works. You can actually modify the strategy to suit your own trading style, okay, or your trading plan. All right, so this is a strategy I've been using, and I see that this strategy can actually improve your trading, and that's why I'm bringing it here on YouTube. All right, hope you enjoy this. Hope you are going to, you know, start making money with this. Please leave a comment, write fire in the comment section, like this video, and share the video. Subscribe if you are yet to subscribe. Remember, I have a YouTube channel where I drop videos about currency pair on currency pairs. So the link will be in the description of this video. So you kindly support the channel by subscribing, by watching some of the videos, learning from the videos, and sharing. And I will see you guys in the next one. Hope you enjoy this.